Good morning, students. Today is Thursday, that is 5th November 2020. Thought of the week. Luck is not in your hands, but decision is in your hand. Your decision can make luck, but luck can't make your decision. So always trust yourself. I repeat, luck is not in your hands, but decision is in your hand. Your decision can make luck, but luck can't make your decision. So always trust yourself. Student, from this week we have started new lesson, that is lesson number 6, bar graph. We have seen in previous period, we have seen what is a graph paper and how it is useful for us to show the given data, huge data, in a very precise way with the help of a bar graph, for which we required a graph paper. Now let's continue with practice set 18. Question: this bar graph shows the maximum temperatures in degrees Celsius in different cities on a certain day in February. Observe the graph and answer the given questions. I repeat, this bar graph shows the maximum temperatures in degrees Celsius in different cities on a certain day in February. Observe the graph and answer the questions. So let's see the graph, which is also given in your book. Student, you have to draw this graph on graph paper and you have to paste that graph paper in your copy. Students, when you look to the graph very carefully, the horizontal line and a vertical line, that is x-axis and y-axis, has been drawn, which intersect each other at the point of origin, which is denoted by O. Now, the names of different cities are written below the x-axis and the temperatures they show has been written or taken on y-axis at the interval of, or at the, by using the scale, 1 unit is equal to 5 centimeter, because they have selected the scale on y-axis. 1 unit is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. Therefore 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. Now some rectangles are drawn, or we can say some columns are drawn having different heights but having equal width and are at equal distances from each other, which indicates the temperature of different cities at certain day in a month of February. When you look to the graph very carefully here, the highest temperature noted on a particular day is 35 degrees Celsius, and that for the city Chandrapur. Then again, if you see very carefully, Pune and Nasik are having same temperatures or equal temperatures, that is 30 degrees Celsius. And again, the remaining two cities, that is Pasgani and Matheran, are having maximum equal temperatures of 25 degree. Now let's begin with the questions based on this. Question number 1. What data is shown on the vertical and the horizontal lines? Temperatures in degrees Celsius on vertical line and different cities on horizontal line. This is your answer. Question number 2. Which city had the highest temperature? Chandrapur city had the highest temperature and it is 35 degrees Celsius. Next question. Which cities had equal maximum temperatures? Student, if you look to the graph, then here a pair of two cities. First one is Pune and Nasik are showing the maximum equal temperatures of 30 degrees Celsius, and Panchagani and Matheran are also showing the maximum equal temperature of 25 degrees Celsius. Therefore, our answer is Pune and Nasik, and Panchagani and Matheran are the cities with equal maximum temperatures. Question number 4. Which cities had a maximum temperature of 30 degrees Celsius? From the graph, it is clearly seen that Panchagani 30 degrees Celsius, therefore Pune and Nasik are having this temperature, and therefore we have to write answer as Panchagani and Matheran are the cities that had a maximum temperature of 30 degrees Celsius, and Pune and Nasik are having 25 degrees Celsius, which is less than 30 degrees Celsius. Therefore, you have to write answer to this question as Panchagani and Matheran are the cities that had a maximum temperature of 30 degrees Celsius. Next question. What is the difference between the maximum temperatures of Panchagani and Chandrapur? I repeat, what is the difference between the maximum temperatures of Panchagani and Chandrapur? The Panchagani has maximum temperature of 35 degrees Celsius. Chandrapur is having maximum temperature equal to 35 degrees Celsius, and Panchagani is having maximum temperature equal to 25 degrees Celsius. Since 35 minus 25 gives you 10, therefore the difference between the maximum temperatures of Panchagani and Chandrapur is 10 degrees Celsius. Student, you have to draw the bar graph which is given in your book. You have to write all the questions and answer and write answers to these questions as I have given here. Complete your work on time. See you in the next period. Thank you.